going to need to translate all these words into a mathematical formula or an equation. To do that, we're going to need to read out what we see and then translate that into its equivalent mathematical format. So we know that K dollars is for a computer that was only $20, more than half the original price. So K equals 20 more is another way of saying plus, than half original price, half of the original price. The of here is implied, and of represents multiplication. So we basically are doing 1/2 times O. To find the original price, O, we just need to solve for it. So we're going to try to isolate that. K minus 20 is equal to 1/2 O. Multiply both sides by 2, get O is equal to 2K minus 40. Therefore, the answer is D.